Fume and smoke extractors are essential tools for maintaining a safe and healthy work environment. There are many products available to choose fume and smoke extractors, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best fume and smoke extractors from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kado Solder Smoke Absorber Remover Fume Extractor Smoke. The Kado Solder Smoke Absorber is a DIY fume extractor fan for soldering stations that efficiently captures and absorbs fumes from solder, flux, chemicals, and gases. It features a 0.4-inch thick activated carbon filter that prevents fumes from dissipating into the room, and an optimized 3000 RPM high suction fan that operates quietly and removes fumes up to 5-6 inches away. The unit is also easy to move and comes with a replacement filter. Number 2. Muan Solder Fume Extractor. The Muan Solder Fume Extractor features a 3-stage filter that effectively absorbs fumes from solder, flux, chemicals, and gases, eliminating irritating odors in your workspace. Highly versatile, it can be used for soldering, wood burning, 3D printing, stained glass, crafting, nail salons, woodworking, jewelry making, and smoking. With its predominantly optimized design, it provides strong suction with slight noise, enabling you to work in fresh, focused, and devoted surroundings. Its highly compatible and portable design saves storage space on your desktop. Made of top-notch ABS material, it is a sturdy and durable extractor. Number 3. Yihua 948DQ iSolder Fume Extractor Fan Solder Smoke. The Yihua 948DQ iSolder Fume Extractor Fan is essential for those who solder or wood burn. It comes with 8 activated carbon filters, 2 fenders, 1 tiltable stand, and a 5-blade fan with a longer operating lifespan and relatively lower noise level. The dual filtering function helps effectively filter harmful particles and reduce odors from fumes. The tiltable stand and fenders on both sides help reduce disruptive airflows and ensure effective fume extraction. Number 4. Kado Soldering Fume Smoke Absorber. The Kado Smoke Absorber is a flexible and adjustable fume extractor that can remove fumes 5-6 inches away from your work area. With a 6000 RPM suction fan that is low noise, you can easily adjust the fan speed to your liking. The filter is easy to replace and includes 1 replacement filter. Additionally, it comes with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee and US-based customer support. Number 5. Fumic Solder Fume Extractor. The Fumic Extractor is a powerful and efficient solution for small bench soldering. With its 99-97% purification rate, it effectively filters out dust particles below 3 microns, keeping your eyes and lungs free from pollution. The unique 3-layer filtration system, along with the 10 pre-filters, ensures that harmful gases and tiny impurities are effectively removed. The main carbon filter, composed of high iodine activated carbon, has a longer service life of up to 3,000 hours, providing great value for money. With its high suction power of up to 200 mH, it easily absorbs all fine objects near the hood head, including exhaust gas, powder, and iron filings. Plus, with its C and FCC certification, along with 247 problem-solving services and a flexible return exchange policy, you can enjoy peace of mind with the Fumic Extractor. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.